Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2021 Mercedes G Wagon. A little bit of a delay there, sorry. This is a gloss black paint originally from the factory, and we did the satin wrap over it. The film is by Xpel, and it's called Stealth. Everybody has their own version, but essentially when you lay them all out, they're pretty close to the same satin matte look. And what I'm going to do is I'll go over this with you to show you how we wrap all the edges to make it look as if it's the paintwork, meaning that it came painted this way. They do offer this from the factory. It's quite a bit of an upgrade, but here's the inside. There's the gloss, and then there's our Stealth. And then you'll see, like, we remove these badges, these moldings, the mirrors, we take those out. These moldings, these lights come off. Everything comes off because eventually you have to change the bulb, obviously. This button right here is just in by pressure, male, female type clips, and so on, so on. So that's how, but it takes extra work to get a look like this where there's no gaps, because we literally make sure that we go around, get all this stuff removed, and everything goes back simple enough. You know, even in our mirrors, we don't want any gloss lines around that. So let's take a quick walk around this. I think it's a 21 G Wagon. Take a walk around it and show you what we got. So there's a couple little, let me show you a couple little hits from the roadway. It's got a little bit of mileage, but like that's what a rock chip looks like. The white part is just air, and over time as the bra starts to dry up underneath, this will go down, and all you'll see is that disruption in the plastic grill area. Here's another rock hit underneath. So as time goes on, you can press a lot of that air out as it dries, but you would have to replace the bumper, and you wouldn't do that for, this thing is literally less than an eraser head size. It looks bigger on the video. So that's what you'll see on some of this, like on this fender flare. Here's another rock hit. So let's finish this up here and go around this. Here's all our wrapping in of the fender. The hood fully wrapped in. These lights came out like I showed earlier. These moldings, no problem, they're just held on by two-way tape. The fender flares, don't take them off, no reason to, but everything goes in all the way under, so we have no gloss paint. You want to protect the paint anyway. That's the other purpose. It's still a paint protection film that handles the rock impacts. It self-heals on scratching, no waxing needed, so it still offers the protection. The handles, you can see everything just looks fantastic. Coming in around these windows, no gaps. The handles, again, no gaps. Windows, we're in the back quarter section. And then coming up around this way, this vent here is just taped in. That's it. Nothing fancy for a $200,000 plus car. They're not gonna do a lot of things like back in the day, but again, back here around the windows, around the center brake light, all wrapped in. Up top, no gaps here and no gaps there. Everything's just looking fantastic. So bumpers are fully done, and that's it. Everything's looking really good. Fuel door fully wrapped around, no gaps, no gaps. And that's pretty much the same all the way through. There's our doors, the center support in between the doors. Doors fully wrapped. Love the way that thing closes, stout like a tank. So there it is. Mercedes G Wagon, full Xpel Stealth wrap, paint protection film, 10-year guarantee in writing, lifetime guarantee on the installation by us at Clearbrow, North Dallas. Any questions? 214-414-3809. I'm Brent. Appreciate you guys watching our YouTube channel, and have a great day.